Do you know what an authorization is? Hi, I'm Gerald Oginski. Come on in. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney, and today I want to explain to you what an authorization is. Well, it's nothing more than a piece of paper that gives somebody permission to get copies of your medical records. Now, why do you need to know that? Well, if you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit, it's very important to know this information. Why? Because when you go to your attorney, they're going to have to get copies of your medical records. And the only way your doctors are going to release your records is if they have a special permission slip from you, known as an authorization, that allows them to do that. Now, assuming your attorney has determined after reviewing your records that you have a valid basis for a case, after your lawsuit is started, the lawyers who represent the people that you have sued will also be entitled to receive authorizations to get copies of your records as well. Clients ask all the time, why do I have to give permission slips to the defense? I don't understand. And the reason is that when you bring a lawsuit seeking compensation for your injuries, you're basically claiming that somebody did something wrong, and as a result of that, you suffered physical injury and physical harm and disability. Well, the defense lawyers are entitled to get copies of your records to evaluate for themselves whether or not your claims have merit. Now, they will often not rely on the copies of medical records that we have obtained on your behalf. So instead, they will ask for, and we will be required to give, authorizations, permission slips, so that they can now go directly to your doctors and request copies directly from the source. And at that point, they'll have an opportunity to properly evaluate your medical records. So that's what an authorization is. It's critical and it's required that we provide them in the course of a lawsuit here in New York. Now, if you find this information helpful, what I want you to do is press that button below that says like. This way, all of your friends on Facebook and YouTube can get the benefit of the same exact information that you just got. And if you have legal questions, what I want you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I answer questions like these every single day. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerald Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.